Hi everyone, I wanted to go ahead and show you this karaoke portable speaker that I received as a gift. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what comes inside. So inside of this box, we are going to receive additional remotes and cables of such, as well as we receive our 2 wireless microphones. And last but not least, we have our karaoke machine. So let's go ahead and unpackage all of this. So of course, we have our user manual and our troubleshooting guide. So these are going to be super helpful. We also have a remote for our speaker. And of course, we get some additional straps to make it easy to carry. So there's going to be a slit, which will give you a wider opening. So you're just going to go ahead and like this, and do that on the other side. And now you can carry it as if it were like a bag. This strap is very sturdy. I really like it. And that's going to be the same process for this longer strap. So let's go ahead and start playing with this thing. So the way that you're going to want to turn on your mic is by pressing and holding. And it already comes powered on, so there is battery life already in it. So this blinking light will let you know that it's on. And now you're ready to use it. However, if you look on the top of our very portable speaker, you may be overwhelmed by all of these options, but do not fret. I am here to explain it all. So this is going to be our power button, and this portable speaker is Bluetooth paired. We're going to go ahead and click that.
Bluetooth mode.
So this will let you know that you are able to start connecting on your phone, your tablet, or whatever device that you are trying to connect this Bluetooth to. So it is going to show up as T50 since this is the T50 model. So let's go ahead and pair that up.
Bluetooth connected.
And that's how you know that you are ready to play your music.
Sugar in my hair, mix it up with love and a little care. Rolling, eating, give it time, so my golden crust will shine. Oh, Mary, roll, let's bake some bread, soft and warm, just like you said.
All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and talk more about its functions. So obviously, if you look up on here, there's going to be mic volume. Now, remember that microphone we turned on? This is exactly for that. Now, if I were to talk into the mic, I would want to increase the mic volume, and here I have the microphone working right now, and the quality sounds really, really good from just first impression. It sounds really, really nice. My voice is very clear. It is very impressive. I'm really satisfied with the performance so far. There's also going to be a mic echo option, which you can increase right over here by, again, turning this knob. And would you believe it? My voice echoes! This treble and bass option, and that is going to be where you increase the treble and the bass. I would recommend that you check out the user manual if you want to learn more about your karaoke machine, because there's a lot more buttons that I did not cover. However, I did cover the basics of this karaoke machine, and that's all you need to know on how to use it. So yeah, I really like this product. I would recommend it wholeheartedly. So if this is something you're looking for, I would definitely recommend you check it out.
Sprinkled flour on the floor. Oops, she laughed, it's quite a mess. But baking joy is happiness. Flour in the air, sugar in my hair. Mix it up with love and a little care. Rolling, eating, give it time. Soon that golden crust will shine.